I am going to make some Easter fudge. I'm going to use 3 cups of chocolate chips. I plan to use 2 cups of milk chocolate and 1 cup of semi-sweet. 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Since I'm going to hand these out at Easter brunch, I poured the fudge into Easter-shaped cookie molds and put them in the fridge to harden. And I just decorated just the colors of frosting and gels. The last step will be to put them in cute little bags. Look like this. And I also have some ribbon to decorate with as well. Gotta be a fun little place setting. I think they came out cute, but I don't recommend the gel frosting or whatever it is, the decorating stuff, because when we put them into the little plastic bags, the gel's stuck even after 24 hours. So we had to take them back out, which kind of messed up the gel part of the frosting, and we had to redo some of them, and yeah, kind of a mess. So no gel, but I think they came out cute anyway, and everybody's gonna get a nice big chunk of fudge.